In this session, we will show you how to factory reset a FortiGate. Once logged in, go to the CLI or command line interface and type execute factory reset. Select Wi-Fi yes, and the device will reboot right after. After boot up, it will be back to the factory default configuration. If you go back to the web interface, you will see the session will time out. From here, you will need to log in with the default setup steps via console or web interface. Looking at the console, you will see it is starting. A few seconds later, you will be presented with the login page. Enter with admin and specify a new password. That is it for this session. Cheers!